are you watching all my videos, right? And maybe you're thinking, how can I get some help from the Acu Sensei? Well, you don't live in Austin, you're not in the US. Here's another way. This is why I created a company called Divine Farmer Health with my friend, nutritionist Chris McKee. It's so that we can give you the information, even if you don't live here. So we're doing a 12-day rebuild program. And the last day to sign up is tomorrow. Last day is tomorrow, right? So what is this 12-day rebuild, right? In 12 days, we're going to help you start rebuilding the foundation. We're going to go through your organ systems, all your organ systems, not just specific one, all your organ systems, and help you rebuild the foundation. Because as you know, like this house, if you don't have a strong foundation, the house is going to get blown over by a tornado, hail, typhoon, whatever. So you need a strong foundation, and that's the difference, right? Because when you have a strong foundation, then it doesn't matter what type of program you start on later, it's going to work even better. I know we all want that quick fix program, but here's the thing. Once you do it, you lose 50 pounds in one day, you get instant energy, you're able to sleep in one night, right? It all comes back because you didn't lay a foundation. So we're going to teach you how to lay a strong foundation, okay, in this 12-day program. So I'm going to give you the link below on how you can sign up, right? You don't want to miss this because price goes up after tomorrow.